Cap 26 here, just repairs and hobbies. I'm going to show you the Raiseek cleaning kit and how to fix the rod in there for home use. So stay tuned. So we got the kit all opened up here, and we're going to pull these cleaning rods out. Okay, these are all sectioned. Let's see if we get them all. I've been looking for these, so need those. And with this kit, you get a cleaning pull-through, which is great. It's great to have one of these. Okay, what we're going to do here, let me get the handle. What we're going to do here is we're going to put these rods together, okay? So we have to find, this one would go into that one. This is the end. This one goes, I believe, yeah, this one goes into the handle. So let's put the handle on right here. The handle you don't want to glue. That's what the whole thing, this process is about, is we're going to make this all into one rod. Because I find when using it, you get parts of it that gets very loose. You want to end up with one, you know, for the to put the tool in there. So that one like that. Okay, so let's put the gloves on. Because I don't want glue on my hands. Hope you guys are doing well today. And always got something I can show you, right? Some idea, show you. Okay, so let's take this, open it up, and you're just gonna put a drop of CA glue or krazy glue on the rod, just like that. You see, like that? Okay. And let's screw the rod in. Any excess you want to wipe off. Okay, if there's any excess coming out, we need something here to wipe it off. Hang on, guys. I got my towels here. One of those. Just wipe it off like that. Make sure it's tight. Okay, now I'm going to do the next one. Okay. Put another little dot on there. And this is something, you know, you're going to have for home use, so you're not going to put it, you know, inside a kit or anything like that. Once this is glued, pretty much, you're done. You can't, you know, go back and say, you know, I'm going to take it apart. If you do, that's pretty good by you. So let's take this one right here. I would put all of them together, you know, unless you only just do pistols for cleaning, pellet pistols. You can leave, you know, make it shorter if you want. But I find when I use this system that you know, they come apart easily. They unscrew easily, you know. That may be good. Just like that. Usually a barrel is not more than the length of what I did. So I did all sections except one. Okay. I glued them together with the CA glue. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry. You can always add this one piece, you know, if you want to. And then let's go into the kit. Put this back in the kit. Okay, like that. And here's the piece you want to use. I usually use the loop. And you just screw it on the end here. I know you can't see this. Hang on. Screw it on the end here, like that. And you're all set. You can keep this in, you know, off to the side somewhere where it won't get bent. You know, or you could put it into a tube, you know, a tube or a box if you want to keep it, you know, off to the side. But now it's you know, one piece, you know, and that'll be great to use when you go to clean your pellet guns, which is not very often. You're not going to clean them that very often. I mean, when people say clean them only when you know, your pellet gun is inaccurate. You know, you're not shooting and getting where you want to hit on your paper. And, you know, you can tell that over about 15 shots, 20 shots. You can tell that you're not getting the accuracy you did before. So, that's what you want to do. And be glad you did, because putting them together is a pain in the neck. And then, of course, you know, I left this part right here so I can use this again for the pull through. So you can unscrew that, take that, and you can put it on your pull through. The pull through is really one of the best methods, I think, because this is like a soft nylon. It's steel in the center, but soft on the outside, so it doesn't hurt your barrel. And this is brass, and that's a brass, you know, rod. So this is a pretty good kit. Raiseek kit. So we can put all this back into the kit here, and just I left one section out in case I need it. I don't think so. I don't think I'll need it. And we'll put the rod off to the side near the kit, so I know where it is next time I go to clean. And you're not going to clean very often, you know. A lot of times when you go in and clean, you're cleaning the Teflon coating that comes off the pellets, and that's not really lead. That's Teflon that they coat the pellets with, and you're cleaning that off. You know, it could be a buildup of that, the inside of your barrel. So you could also use the straw method. Also put the straw on the end of the muzzle with an O-ring, so it doesn't, you know, go inside the barrel, and use it as a guide for your cleaning rod. And that's the tip for today. I hope you're having a good day. Not just a good day, like my friend Angie says, an awesome day. So see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.